So if you have your mosquito net tent from VEVOR or a different version of it, but as long as you have the right sizes, we just got the covers. We're gonna add them in there so you guys can see how they look. Oh, that's not bad. So if you guys can see, this is a side clip. All right, only 2 of them available. You're gonna require 2 more if you want to cover the front and the back. You could use this not for just a mosquito tent, but also as a camping house. And if you're cooking and you want to avoid maybe the wind hitting anything, or maybe it's too hot on one side, sun's hitting it, this is perfect. And it's only clip-ons, so you don't have to tie anything down, you don't have to do anything, just the clip-ons, and that's pretty much it. So if you guys are looking for a great addition for your actual tents like this. All right, we covered the inside. Perfect if you're watching a baseball game, soccer game, and you don't want the sun to be hitting you, you want to enjoy it with your seat or your chair, your bench. Perfect. Plenty of space. You got plenty of space here. The covers are a great addition, and you can completely seal the end completely. But it's not waterproof. It's only for shade. Waterproof on the top, all right, but not the side entrance. So make sure, unless you don't have the covers, that's about it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video.